Hey guys, it's Izabella from KidZone on SeaMyBeach.com, and today I'm doing my first video in Miami here at Math Monkey. Sometimes in life you can get by with just being cute. Sometimes you have to be cute and smart. What I want to show you guys today is that getting smart or getting smarter can be fun. So we're going to go inside and meet Elena. Oh my god, hi Blink! How are you doing? Can you take me to Elena?
Hi, Izabella.
So nice to meet you.
Great to meet you too, and thank you for coming to Math Monkey and featuring us in your KidZone.
I'm honored to be here.
Well, let's have a seat.
So, can you tell me a little bit about Math Monkey and what it's all about?
Sure, I would love to. So, at Math Monkey, we believe there's two kinds of kids. Those who love math and those who will love math. And we're all about making math fun. So, our goal is to help kids fall in love with math. How do we do that? Well, we have several different programs. One is we have enrichment classes where the kids play while they learn, and it gets kind of noisy in here. You might be listening to some noise in the background, and that's because they're having fun. The second thing that we do is we also do math tutoring, and that's for the kids that really need help with what they're doing in school. And we go all the way up to calculus for that. And then during the summer, we have a lot of fun math and science camps. We also do our enrichment during the summer. And for the middle and high school kids, we have courses to help them get ready to take pre-algebra, algebra, and geometry in the next year. But whatever we do at Math Monkey, it's all designed to be fun.
Wow, that's actually really cool. I couldn't help but notice you have some problems here on the board. Do you want to show me what those are all about?
I'm so glad you asked that, Izabella, because I wanted to show you some pretty interesting things that I think the kids are all going to like. Okay, so you ready to learn something?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm just going to show you how to do these problems with the way we teach them here at Math Monkey, which is all mental and fun. Okay? So here's the first technique. Let's say you want to multiply these two numbers in your head.
Yeah.
Okay? First thing we're going to do is see how close these numbers are to the base of 100, right? So 98 is, of course, 2 away, and 88 is, of course, 12 away from 100. So to multiply this in my head, I'm going to multiply down and subtract across. 2 times 12 is 24. Easy to do in my head. 88 minus 2 is 86. See how easy that is?
Yeah. But what if somebody doesn't know their multiplication tables in their head?
Okay, so we can also use this technique to teach kids the tables. When they get to the point where they're, a lot of times the kids will learn the 2s, the 3s, and the 4s, and the 5s. Those are pretty easy to learn. But they get stuck with the 6s, 7s, and 8s, right? So let's say that you're trying to do 7 times 8. Well, when a kid gets stuck with that, they usually try to add 8 7 times in their head, and that takes a long time. But if you use this technique, these two numbers are close to the base of 10. So this is 3 away from 10, 2 away from 10. Now we're going to do 3 times 2 is 6, 8 minus 3 is 5. So you can use it for that too. Okay, let me show you this other one. This is called the magic of 11. Whenever you multiply a two-digit number by 11, this number goes here, this number goes here, and then you add the 2 and it goes in the middle. Can you see how easy that is?
Yeah.
And guess what? I want to give you one of those to do. Let me see if you can do it in your head. So I'm going to give you 34 times 11. Just look at what we did here. 2, 3, 2 plus 3 is 5. Okay? Do you think you can tell me the answer?
3 and then 4, so 300 and 374.
All right! You are so smart. I can't believe that. That was so easy.
Yeah.
Okay, so now, and then if it's more than 2 digits, it's also easy. Let me show you how to do this one. You put the 2 here and the 5 here. Now we're going to add 2 plus 3, 5, 3 plus 4, 7, and 4 plus 5, 9. That's your answer.
Wow. That's actually pretty cool.
Yeah, and then this is my favorite, division by 9. Watch this. You take the first digit and you put it on top of the second one.
Okay.
Now we're going to add 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 3, remainder 8.
Cool.
And that's you know, a good sample of what we teach in our enrichment classes, and that helps the kids have fun because it's so cool. They've never seen anything like this before.
Yeah, it actually is pretty cool.
Yeah. So I wanted to also show you someone that works here. She's a tutor who used to be a student of ours.
Wow.
And she grew up loving math enough that now she's one of our tutors. Would you like to meet her?
I'd love to.
Okay, let me go get her. Hi, Izabella. Hi. I want you to meet Nicole.
Hi, nice to meet you.
And I think I'm just going to leave you all to talk, and I'll be back later, okay?
Okay. So Elena told me you had a pretty cool story about coming here. Can you tell me a little about it?
Sure. Well, about 7 years ago when Math Monkey first opened, my mom heard about it and she was like, oh, that sounds like a great idea because I know you love math. And I really did love math. So she took me here and I got evaluated because we have different levels. So our levels are lemur, spider monkey, baboon, chimpanzee, orangutan, gorilla, and silverback, all based on how old you are and what level you are based on an evaluation that they give us. So I was a gorilla, and I used to come here every Saturday. And so after the teacher would teach a lesson, I would go up to the board and pretend like I was the teacher because I loved the class so much. So Elena said one day, oh, I think you should work here when you're older because you love it so much. And so when I was 15, I called to see if I could volunteer because I needed volunteer hours for school and I love this place so much. And so after I turned 16, Elena hired me.
Oh, that's so cool, actually. It's actually a pretty cool story. Nicole, I really love seeing how passionate you are about math in general. And can you tell the kids out there why learning math is so important at such a young age?
Well, math can be applied for everything in your life. So whether you're going to the grocery store and you need to see how much change the cashier will be giving you, or if you're making a recipe and you don't have the right portions, math can always be applied no matter what.
Alright, so the moral of the story for everyone out there is kids, be smart. Well, thank you for being here with me, Nicole, and telling me all about
It's great to meet you.
Yeah, it was great to meet you too. I asked Elena if I could sit in one of the classes and see how they really do it, and they're about to play a basketball game. Flor, can you tell me how they play?
Yes, we're going to show you. We give the students cards. Let's go to Ella. She has a card. Each student answer a math question. She's going to be doing Magic of 11 today. Once she gets the correct answer, then she goes take a shot. And that's the game. They come back and answer another question. So answering the questions makes it fun for them because they get a shot. Are you ready?
Yeah.
So 11 times 18 is 198. Now go ahead and you have 3 chances to get your one. Did you answer yours? Okay. You see, Izabella, how fun it is? They answer a question, they get to learn, they get to practice their skills, then they play and
then it's fun.
then it's fun.
Yeah, it's pretty awesome. Maybe I'll be able to come in and sit for a whole game one day.
Excellent. Thank you for stopping by. We really appreciate it.
Thank you so much. Well, thank you, Elena, so much for giving me a tour of Math Monkey.
And thank you for coming. I hope the kids enjoyed it.
They definitely will. Remember, in our world, it's good to be smart, but Math Monkey teaches you that being smart can also be fun. And we'll see you next time on KidZone! The real MVP here at Math Monkey is Fergie. And if your dog doesn't have a shirt like this, then they're really missing out. I really enjoyed doing this video here at Math Monkey, and it shows you that learning can really be very fun.
15, 16, 17. Do your hair. All right.
This is why I can't do the hair thing really fast.
Bend your head down forward a little bit and then do the hair. Not that
I
much
know, I'll
forward.
go more extreme than that.
A little bit more though. Just bend your hair down. No, wait. We're just doing the hair part. Bend. All right, go back.
My friends used to tell me that it'll be like The Grudge. They used to call me The Grudge.
The Grudge?
The Grudge, I think. Was
I don't know what
the
that
Grudge
is.
with the hair?
Bend your head down just a little bit. Don't shake it right. When you get to about that angle, then is when I want you to shake your hair. Okay? All right. Go back up, and I'll tell you when.
This is why I do my hands, man.
Okay. Do use your hands if you need to.
Okay.
Okay. You're spastic without your hands. Okay, ready?
Oh. Just go again.
Oh, wait.
You just say see what
And we're at Math Monkey.
Oh yeah, and we're at Matt. Okay.
Yeah, thank you. At least somebody knows
Should
what
I
we're doing.
say who Fergie is?
Yes.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, oh, yeah. Go. And I'm Fergie. Okay. Good Lord, Izabella. You're killing me.
That's so best.
Okay. Start over. Hold on. Wait till I tell you.
I'm sorry, I'm trying to put a straight face on and then I start crying.
It's always a problem once you start the giggling. It's hard to stop it. Okay. Think of something serious.
Puppies.
What did you say?
Puppies.
Puppies. That's not.
Wait, do I have a line on my forehead still? Okay.
A what?
No, because long story. I had a line on my forehead earlier when you guys were filming with Elena.
Really?
Oh.
Yeah, like a mark on my forehead. But it's
Do we
gone
ask
now.
why?
No.
Or do we not want to know?
She was sleeping and she got a little line on her
No,
head.
I have a bucket on my head.
Is that part of the class?
No. I was just bored.
Okay, behind the scenes at Math Monkey.
I understand this exactly.
Well, that
why
wasn't
you went
recording,
aboard.
was that?
What?
Was that recording?
Yes. I'm recording all of this.
That's what I do when I'm bored. I just throw a bucket over my head, you know? Same.
Behind the scenes at Math Monkey. It's not. This is the fun part. Wearing buckets on your head. Okay, let's start over. You ready?
Alright, I love seeing how passionate you really are.
No. All right, stop. Sorry.
Take 94.
Take 94. Okay, are you ready?
Nicole, I really love seeing how passionate. I see you're smiling at me.
I can't believe this one scene is taking longer than the whole thing so far.
Sorry.
Y'all got to get serious.
I love seeing how passionate you are.
What was that? Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, exactly. Where did that come from? Okay. All right, let's start over.
I don't understand. Okay.
Okay, hold on. Wait till I tell
Hold on,
you.
you look like you're taller than me.
Everybody's.
I'm 17.
Okay, everybody ready?
Taller. I'm actually really short. Oh.
Okay, I'm gonna kill it. We're gonna start. Is everybody ready?
Yeah.
In position. Sure.
Tall.
Ready as I'll ever be.
Okay. This is your first time doing this?
It's been a while. I asked Elena if I could sit in one of the classes and see how they really. Okay. I already forgot what I was supposed to say.
Okay. You see what I have to deal with, man?
Yeah, unbelievable.
Isn't it painful?
Dude, man.
Yeah, I should get paid a lot more money than this, right? That's what I'm talking about.
Talent.
All right, everybody sees what I have to do with this. Okay, let's start over.
You see, Isabella, how easy it is.